आदरणीय डॉक्टर वरदराज बापट जी, इस कार्यक्रम में उपस्थित सभी ज्येष्ठजन तथा देश भर से इंजीनियर्स इस यूथ कन्वेंशन में भाग लेने मेरे प्रिय बहनों और भाइयों, the topic for this session has been given as understanding. Has anybody understood India? I doubt. People have interpreted India. I remember an incident. एक प्रसंग को मैं याद करता हूं। जब मैं बेंगलुरु में कॉलेज विद्यार्थी था, श्री पीलू मोदी was a member. He came to address the Bangalore citizens, and some of the youngsters requested him to address the youth and the students of the various colleges. And in one of the colleges in Bangalore, his lecture was organized, and the student union secretary of that college gave him a slip while he was going on the dais. तो उसमें लिखा था वो क्या टॉपिक बोले, पीलू मोदी किस विषय पर बोले। तो पीलू मोदी जी ने उसको निकाल कर पढ़ा, and on the chit it was written, the topic as "Whither India goeth." Whither India goeth. And Pillou Modi, who was known for his witty comments and humor, he spontaneously responded, "Who knoweth?" So whither India goes, who knows? So nobody knows whether India is going, moving or not moving, going forward, going backward. Nobody can say. So likewise, whether anybody has understood India, I always doubt it. Anybody in the past or in the present has been able to understand, comprehend India fully. हाँ, भारत के बारे में आप व्याख्या कर सकते हो, भारत के बारे में आप कुछ जरूर बोल सकते हो, जैसे मैं आज बोलने के लिए आपके सम्मुख खड़ा हूं। इंडिया है कि भारत है, या दोनों हैं, दोनों अलग है कि एक ही है, इसके बारे में भी बहुत सारे विवाद हैं। The controversy is that India is one that lives in urban and metro cities and super metro cities of India, and Bharat is one that lives in the hinterland, in villages, in countryside. India are one and the same, as our Constitution of India proclaims that India is Bharat. So I do not want to go into that controversy. For the sake of my lecture here, I would take India and Bharat as one and the same. Though there may be some people in the audience who contest this. But however, this controversy is not the subject of this session. भारत को जानना, हम सब भारतीय हैं, लेकिन भारत को जानते हैं क्या? संस्कृत में एक बात है कि अति परिचयम अवज्ञात। हम जिसको जानते हैं उनके बारे में हम अपरिचित हैं। हम जानते हैं वर्षों से, तो जिनके बारे में बहुत प्रसिद्ध है फिर भी हम नहीं जानते। तो इसलिए अति परिचयम अवज्ञात। क्या भारत के बारे में हम लोगों की स्थिति ऐसी ही है? तो भारत के बारे में जब हिंदुस्तान के विभिन्न प्रांतों में जाते हुए मैं अनुभव करता हूं कि अपने देश के बच्चों को स्कूल में पढ़ने वाले विद्यार्थियों को अनफॉर्चुनेटली दे डू नॉट नो what their motherland is. Unfortunately, they do not know their history. It is strange and amazing that they do not know the strength of our land. They do not know the highlights and the mainstays of our civilization. But when I go out of this country, visiting some countries abroad, it is so reassuring, it is so enthralling that the Indian children living in those countries, whose parents are from India, they have tried to understand India, they have tried to read about India. बहुत सारे किताबें वहां हैं भारत के इतिहास के बारे में, संस्कृति और सभ्यता के बारे में। वहां के बच्चे जो भारतीय मूल के हैं वो जानते हैं। वो जब प्रश्न पूछते हैं, भारत से गए हुए व्यक्ति को उत्तर देना कई बार मुश्किल हो जाते हैं, क्योंकि ऐसे ऐसे प्रश्न वो पूछते हैं जो भारत के बारे में जानते हैं। बिकॉज इन मोस्ट ऑफ द स्कूल्स इन अमेरिका एंड यूरोप, पर्टिकुलरली इन इंग्लैंड, दे हैव सब्जेक्ट टू टीच अबाउट इंडिया। वो जानते हैं। तो इसलिए भारत के बारे में कौन कितने जानते हैं कहना मुश्किल है। तो भारत क्या है? Many a time it is said India is an idea. India is an idea. India, is it a landscape? India, vast expanse of land on this earth? No, it is not just that. India is an experience. India is a journey. Mark Tully, who had been a BBC correspondent for decades in this country, who chose to live in India even after retirement, he has written a couple of books on India. There is no full stop in India. And another book, the title of the another book written by him is Unending Journey of India. India is an unending journey. It started its journey millennia ago, and the journey is on and on and on. India is a journey. It's a civilization. India is an enigma. Karl Marx, who analyzed the history of humankind, at one time he said, India, it's not my department. I do not know anything about India. Of course, having said this, he has commented upon India. That's a different matter. Karl Marx can only do that. But he said, India, it's not my department. He never visited India. He didn't know about India because he did not understand. India is an enigma. India is a fantasy.